Hi, we are the students of MIT Academy of Engineering. The topic of our project is self-balancing two-wheel system with obstacle avoiding capability using LabVIEW. The project aims at expanding the use of two-wheel system by creating a small, compact, high-performance control and instrumentation system that can be integrated into future transport systems. The system is based on the principle of inverted pendulum and manages to bring itself to the equilibrium point by creating an opposing force in the direction opposite to that of the user. The block diagram of the system is as shown. The entire system can be divided into three main functional blocks: sensor, controller and actuators. The sensor block comprises of two sensors. First, the gyroscope and accelerometer, which reads the angular velocity and angular position. Output of these sensors is going to the Kalman filter, which is used for sensor fusion. Sensor fusion is used to increase the bandwidth of measurement range, which improves the accuracy of our measurement. The actuator block has two drives that receives analog voltage signal from the controller and produce current signal to drive the motor at a desired torque. We have done our project in parts. First, we have done DC motor modeling in LabVIEW. Second, PID simulation. As you can see, by changing the values of the gain, first Kp, second Ki and Kd, the output follows the input given to the system. We have also done motor speed control using Arduino board and LabVIEW. We are also making use of robotic simulator to simulate our system virtually. Right now, we have to do some more work on this. It will take 2 to 3 days more to make it run in simulation. Due to the unavailability of hardware, we have not been able to develop the actual system on hardware. If provided with the hardware, our system has the potential to solve a number of challenges in the industry and society. This system also has the potential to use the sensor actuators to help the elderly, physically disabled or other sensory impaired person to be mobile and to assist transportation system.